Welcome. If you want to activate Google Assistant on your VERNEE M5, at first you have to find Google application right here. So let's enter. Next we have to tap on the left upper corner on those three lines, then move to the settings. And as you can see, here we got the Google Assistant settings, so we have to enter right here. And then we have to click to turn on. And when we go for the devices, we get also the same switcher right here. So if you want to turn off this Google Assistant, you have to click here, and if you want to turn it on, just click here. And we got also another way to turn on this Google Assistant. When we turn it off, right here, we can click and hold the home button, and then we can click turn on right here. So that's how you can activate the Google Assistant on your VERNEE M5. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya!